The most anticipated movie of Godzilla Kong series, the Godzilla vs Kong trailer has been released, and the biggest plot of the film has been revealed a bit in the trailer, Mechagodzilla. So I'm going to break the trailer and movie's plots here. Hope you all watch it full, and if you find it any good, please like and subscribe. So there's a lot of Easter eggs in the trailer. The plot starts here, and the first egg is in the trailer. You can see people saying we need Kong, but why do human needs Kong? So there should be a bigger threat that they can't handle. We have seen throughout Godzilla series that Godzilla won't pick a fight with humans, as his main role as a king of monsters is to maintain balance. So there must be something bigger. So here comes Mechagodzilla. It was revealed in the movie Godzilla King of Monsters that there are some shadow organizations which thinks the Titan should be unleashed to get a fresh start for mankind. In the trailer we can see various bits of Mechagodzilla. And the second Easter egg is the head of Mechagodzilla over some people. Even if small piece of head is revealed, what makes it an Easter egg is that we know Godzilla is atomic and blue. Even in the last film, when it turns to explode after absorbing a lot of damage, it turns red. But Ghidorah, the three-head dragon, deals electric shock type of damage, and his damages was so high that's why Godzilla turned flame red. But what we can see here is pure robotic red, which means Mechagodzilla, and the only opponent to Godzilla here mentioned is Kong, who is not atomic at all or fiery in nature. So Godzilla can turn red, so it should be Mechagodzilla. The third egg is we can see a Asian guy staying in front of a monitor, which clearly depicts a Mechagodzilla blueprint. Even if the monitor is partially covered, we can recognize the nodes as ERY systems and MUM charge, which could probably mean primary or secondary systems and minimum or maximum charged, which could be a scene before the release of Mechagodzilla. The fourth egg is a blast from beneath a mountain. We know that Godzilla is big and bad, but not enough to destroy a mountain within. Plus, we can see the head of Mechagodzilla just a bit. So the Mechagodzilla was built in a secret facility beneath the mountain, cause something that big can't be built in plain sight, right? The last Easter egg is the nerdy guys in the van when they say there's something provoking him that we don't know. So it could be Mechagodzilla. But since we can conclude that at the time Mechagodzilla has not come into play, if so, people should know that why Godzilla is attacking. So it could be have anything to do with either Ghidorah's head, which in the last film Charles Dance, who acted as the leader of the faction, as Alan Jonah, who took Ghidorah's head. So the head could be used to build Mechagodzilla, creating a same pulse or emitting signals as Ghidorah only Godzilla can sense. We also know Titans can sense other Titans, or the Mechagodzilla should be atomic such that the amount of atomic energy used in Mechagodzilla opposes a threat to Godzilla. So either way, Kong should be entering after Mechagodzilla's arrival, or humans should have decided long ago that Kongs can be tamed and used for their protection against other titans, because they can expect Godzilla to save them always, but they don't know that there was a war between Kongs and Godzilla centuries ago, which is also mentioned in the trailer. There's also mentionings that Kong bowed to no one, and they are the last one standing in the race. So it could have been a war that Godzilla won and Kongs were banished to live in Skull Island.